Kamal Mitra Chinoy.
Okay, number one.
Where is the government?
Yeah, listen, are you going to let me speak or you want all the time?
Go on.
Number one, I'm a professor in JNU who worked for 1 year in Kanchipur in Imphal. And as Beena knows, I've gone to Senapati district and other districts in human rights work. So don't just treat me as a politician. I feel
But
free.
you're here as a
Listen,
representative
listen.
of the Aam Aadmi Party. Again, I want to draw
Aam
you
Aadmi
back.
Party is
I want to draw you back
No,
to
no,
the
Rahul.
question that gentleman asked.
No,
He said, why is Kejriwal not here on the dharna?
You're not letting me finish.
Go on, answer his question.
Kejriwal did the dharna to get power for the Delhi government over the Delhi police. You are having this problem because the police is not anywhere under our control and it is under the control of the Congress and the UPA of the central government.
Rahul,
But we are going to fight for you till the end. We have the JNU students with our support came and protested in your favor, and we will not stop. If you look
You
at
don't
our
answer
website,
his question.
you will see lots
He has
of
a
things.
straight question. Why is Kejriwal not here doing another dharna?
Why does
That's the question.
Kejriwal have to be here? I'm here. I'm also from the AAP party. You
Does that
only listen to
satisfy-
leaders.
Sir, you could have gone there, done the dharma in that case also, but in that incident when Mr. Kejriwal swiftly moved to a metro station, why isn't he here? Why isn't, because are we the second class citizens?
Rahul,
Why aren't we
But
given
I'm
the
not a
same
second
importance?
class politician.
This is the same with the issue is with the Delhi police. They haven't done their job swiftly. They haven't done their job at all. They left the boy alone in the same place after he was taken to the police station. When the facts clearly shows that the Delhi police had the fault, which according to our party it was they were the
No,
at the
but
fault
the AAP
center.
party has asked for a magisterial inquiry.
Rahul, I would like to
Yes,
respond.
Beena wants to come in.
Yes, true. The question which this young man is asking is right, Dr. Chinoy. He is right. Because first we have been sending messages to Mr. Kejriwal since the incident started to respond. He was very, very calm about it. We went and met him.
Are you satisfied with Kejriwal's response or not?
No,
Why not?
no, we
Why
are not. Because first, he is supposedly between Aam Aadmi. Though they've forgotten Aam Aurat, okay? He's supposed to be Aam Aadmi. He's right. He should have been here very soon. He's coming tomorrow at 4 o'clock there. After we told him to please come.
It didn't strike him.
Yeah,
Does that
yeah.
irk you,
It
the
didn't
fact
strike.
that it didn't strike him?
It didn't strike him.
Yes, just 1 second. I'm coming. Just one by one. Just put up your hands so that I can see it, and then I'll come and ask people to ask questions. Go on. Are you unhappy with the fact that Kejriwal is not here?
Yeah, of course. But I'm not satisfied with all the representatives who have given the answer to my dear brothers. My question may be a little bit aggressive for you guys, but my question is this. Northeast is famous for success in its movement, and you guys are trying to control that. But now, the situation is this. We have been facing difficulties, discriminations, every now and then. Every day is a everyday aspect. And also, we are being denied of opportunities every now and then. So if you cannot control our discrimination, why stop our success in this movement? That's the question I want.
Kiran Riju, answer that. Just one by one. Kiran must answer that because they're feeling the level of frustration increase with every passing month.
Absolutely.
And he's also referring very dangerously to
Yeah.
secessionist movements. Why push an entire community in that direction? Kiran must respond.
Yeah, the question today is, has we failed as a country? Has the society failed when a person of own country, the citizen of India, is being killed in own country on the basis of his caste, creed or religion? It is most unfortunate. Even Arunachali boy is killed. If Arunachali boy falls victim to the racial discrimination and killed on the street of the national capital, is the shameful. I think the country has failed.